Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Jahan from MS Excel VBA. In this lesson, I will cover how to calculate the hours and overtime. For example, we have a days, we have a start times and end times. How we know how many hours Jahan works. In the calculates in hours is some tricky for new users. We add three formulas in this situation. First, we use the if formula. If D5, D5 mean the end time, greater than C5, the start time. There I could use a comma if value true. If the end time greater than start time, most cases this option, but the start time is the less than of the greater time. Then D5 minus C5 comma end time minus start time. The otherwise, if the first condition is the true, false. If the first condition is the true, then it's end time minus the start time. If this condition is a false, then the start time the minus end time. I use this formula and drag and drop. After the drag and drop, right click on the mouse, go to format cell. The going to the format cell, the short key is Control 1. When you press the Control 1, you are going to format cell, go to the custom, and here choose the hours and minute and click OK. Here I use the mood formula. This is like a similar mood D5 end time minus the start time division divisor by 1. Here I use the greater than formula, equal to end time minus start time plus end time greater than or equal to the start time. Here I calculate the overtime. Overtime, for example, this Monday Jahan working is the 12 hours of all your days, and we want to the calculate how many hours overtime spent in a day. Then use this formula F5. This is a calculated hours. Then this is a hours. How many is a working hours? Okay. For example, here I add one more column for working hours, and we add 7 hours in a day, and we just F5. This results minus the working hours multiply by 24 hours. We flash down this formula, fill down. Now, today in Monday, we spend 12 hours a day. In 7 hours, our working days, and 5 hours, 4 minutes, our overtime. You are easily calculate your overtimes, and this is a three formula. Which formula is the suitable you are using, you are working. And here the working hours, if you want to the fixed working hours, you add any working hours. For example, 10 working hours in a day. When you add the 10, the overtime is 2 hours. Okay. Here I add the total hours. I use the sum formula. When you sum the hours, the total hours of the all days, the weeks, total hours a week. Here I add also the formula, because this is a 7 7, and we add the sum of all 7. We add the numbering, because this is a number, this is a note type. Here I use the custom formats, the hours and minutes. Now the total working hours is a 49 hours, and overtime is 17.28 hours, and the working hours is a 15.28 hours per day. I hope you understand about that. Thank you for you watching. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and support it. Thank you. Bye bye.